Hello viewers, you're welcome to this very interesting lecture on hydrobiology, and in today's lecture we're going to discuss aquatic productivity. What is aquatic productivity? Aquatic productivity basically refers to the rate at which organic matter is produced by autotrophic organisms such as algae, phytoplanktons and plants through the process of photosynthesis. Basically, the aquatic productivity forms the base of the aquatic food web and accounts for 50% of the global productivity, global energy production by autotrophic organisms. That's to say that exactly what happens in the terrestrial ecosystem where plants are able to carry out photosynthesis to manufacture their own food. Plants, algae and phytoplanktons in the water also carry out photosynthesis, and this actually helps to sustain life in the aquatic environment. Now, what are the factors that affect or influence primary productivity? Now, primary productivity basically is influenced by sunlight, nutrients, temperature, dissolved oxygen. Now, let us look at the first, sunlight. Just as it is in the terrestrial ecosystem, sunlight is very important in determining the rate at which photosynthesis occurs. And photosynthesis is actually very high in the photic zone of the water. Photic zone basically refers to the part of the water that is exposed to sunlight, especially the intertidal zone or the areas around shallow waters. Such places are said to be photic zone because they have direct access and the sunlight affects them directly. So plants are able to use the sunlight for photosynthesis effectively. Then we also have nutrients. Nutrients are also very important factors that influence primary productivity in the aquatic ecosystem. Nutrients such as phosphates, sulfates, and nitrates are essential for plants to grow, and this helps them to provide and helps to sustain them. Temperature is also very vital in primary productivity in the aquatic ecosystem. The temperature influences metabolic rate and basically also affects thermal stratification in lakes and other aquatic ecosystems. And basically this help in primary productivity, helps the primary producers either positively or negatively. So the warmer the water, the better the primary productivity. Then basically dissolved oxygen is also very important in primary productivity. Dissolved oxygen is very important. It's crucial for the survival of aquatic organisms, animals, and basically it also helps in decomposition. So basically, the aquatic productivity is also influenced by dissolved oxygen. Then carbon dioxide is also very important because carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. Why is aquatic productivity very essential? Basically, it is essential because it's crucial for the survival of life in the aquatic environment. Without photosynthetic organisms like algae, phytoplanktons and plants in the water, there would hardly be living organisms in the water, particularly the fish and other aquatic animals. Thanks a lot for watching. I am Dr. Gijo. Keep watching more of my videos from my YouTube and TikTok channels.